Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Belinda if you've not been here before, and today I'm going to do a home bargains haul. Got quite a few different bits coming up. Just got to apologise for the state of my face. I went to the dentist on Friday to have a fill-in in my wisdom tooth, and I've had a cheat like a hamster for the last few days, and now all the bruising's coming out. So if I'm speaking a bit funny, might be because of that. Anyway, got quite a few different things on this haul. I'm going to start off with a few outdoor items. We've finally got a new barbecue. We used to do loads of barbecuing, and when we moved, we got rid of our old one, and we haven't had a new one since. So I said, could we get one this summer? Now we've got one. So to go with the barbecue, because I haven't got an awful lot of things to take outside, and the first one we had, I had to use proper wine glasses. So, Home Bargains got these little plastic ones. I thought these were really nice. They actually look like glass. So I got a couple of those, 79p each. And then for anybody who wants a soft drink, the tumbler version, these were 69p each. And I think they're pretty decent. Plastic cups usually can be a bit nasty, but I'm well chuffed with those. And then to actually get the barbecue lit, got some extra long matches. Got a thing about extra long matches, I don't know why, I just think they're rather special. So I've been looking for some and I finally found some in Home Bargains, 55p. And then we also talked about, my husband's found or seen some sort of liner that you put on the barbecue, and it stops all the fat going on the coals, and I think it just makes it that you don't have to clean the whole grill. So I've got this. I'm not quite sure if this is what he was after, and I am a bit worried it might actually set on fire. It's a cooking liner for 79p, and it says it can be used in the oven, grill and microwave, and it keeps pans and trays clean. So I just got one in case it wasn't what we were after, but maybe give it a go. If not, can use it in the oven. You can't beat marshmallows on a barbecue. And these are, well, supposedly barbecue marshmallows. A Barbecue King marshmallows, 79p. Pretty decent bag there, 250 grams. So stick a couple of those on some skewers and away we go. Absolutely love marshmallows. Scrummy, scrummy. More food. If you've seen some of my other hauls, you know I am absolutely a huge fan of these Skinny Whips. These are like a nougat chocolatey sort of bar, and they are only 96 calories each, and you get 5 for 99p, which is an absolute bargain. A few cleaning items next. The Dettol all-in-one, absolutely. I'm a massive fan of this stuff at the moment. So it's a disinfectant spray, and what I've been using this on, not around the house, I've actually been using this on my smelly trainers from when I run. Look at that cheek, it's massive. And on my clothes, my gym kit when it gets a bit smelly. That's about £2, but today in the co-op I saw the same thing, £3.65. So that is a proper bargain from Home Bargains. Call me a traitor. Everybody's jumping on the bandwagon of Zoflora and doing their own versions. So I've tried the one from Poundland, didn't like that at all. I didn't like the smells, but this one is Fabulosa. And this is wild rhubarb, and this is absolutely, oh, lovely. My friend Amanda introduced me to this. She treated me to a bottle. I've had to go back and get some more. And I also, when I went in, got my boss a bottle because she likes the flora, so I said, try a bit of this. It's 99p, and the bottle is 220ml, so that's quite a bit bigger than Zoflora as well. I think they do about 5 different fragrances, but that one is my favourite. Now, leading on from Zoflora, I suppose most of you may know about Mrs. Hinge. She's now become very famous, and she talks about her minke. I haven't bothered getting any of the minkes yet, but I saw this in Home Bargains, so I thought, let's get one and see what all the fuss is about. Now this was pretty expensive as cleaning cloths go, £2.49, that's a bit pricey. So it's an antibacterial cleaning pad, and I think it's two-sided. Yes, it is. So you've got a scratchy side there and a spongy side there. So that bit I will use to wipe up bits and bobs, and then that bit more to scrub items with. But I did then look on a few of the Mrs. Hinge Facebook pages after I bought it, and people were slating that one, so I'm not sure if I've wasted my money a bit there. Carrying on with nice fragrances, these are the Airwick Diffusers, and I absolutely love this fragrance. It's linen in the air. It's a green apple, crisp linen, fresh air smell, and I use this in a little one that puffs. It's in a gadget that's battery operated, and it puffs every about a minute or two, and I've got that in the downstairs toilet. But I do like to have reed diffusers in our bathrooms just to add a little nicer smell. So these were £2.99, and I know sometimes these can be something like £6. I think I've seen them in some shops, which is quite a lot of money, isn't it, just for something that only lasts for a little while. So it's pretty chuffed to see those at £2.99 each. A couple of random items next. A rubber, 39p. Look at this lovely little item here. A Diamante button. I don't know if you can see how pretty it is. It might not show it up on there. I don't think it is. It's got 32 stones in it, 99 pence. I haven't got a clue what I'm going to use it for, but it caught my eye, and I thought I can't leave it, because you can bet in a couple of weeks' time I'll think, oh, that would have been really nice to go on that bag or on that top, or I don't know. But maybe I'll go back and get some more. I don't know. I just love it. Of course, got some tissues. Always get tissues from Home Bargains. 15 pence for a pack. These are lovely. These just go in your handbag or something, and a little bit like sanitary wear, but they're not. It's tissues. Yeah, I just think they're really snazzy. And because they're in this nice little packet, it keeps them nice and clean and dry. Not that I needed any more cotton pads, but I thought I'd try these out. You get 80, just the little round ones for 59 pence. So a little makeup item, 4 little sponges for £1.49. I've had my eye on these for a little while. Don't know why, just like the look of them. 2 round, 2 sort of eggy shape. So I shall use those. I bought this new product which I absolutely love. I've really had a problem with a shiny nose for ages. Bought this Pericomb MD stuff off the aeroplane when I went on holiday. Pretty expensive, but it's doing just the job, and it comes with a little sponge, but that gets pretty dirty with your foundation and stuff. So I thought these would be alternatives for when I need to wash that one, or if that one gets damaged. So yeah, I quite like those. They're decent quality as well, pretty thick. A bit of nail care next. You may have seen my disastrous nail removal. I've now got no acrylics on anymore, and my toenails are not in the best of condition because I do a lot of running. They just get damaged from all the sweat and wearing trainers all the time. So I thought I'd treat myself to a couple of items to sort my feet out. So a lot of people have been going crazy for the Poundland foot peel treatment. Everybody went mad for it and did it before waiting till other people had done it first, and now a lot of people are saying that their feet will not stop peeling and they're very sore. Thankfully, I didn't do it. So instead, for 89 pence, I've got this deep moisturising foot pack. So I think they're just a little pair of socks that you wear for 20 minutes and just add a bit of moisture to your feet. It penetrates, love that word, deep into the skin to reduce callus build-up and helps to repair and soften cracked and split heels. I don't suffer too bad with cracked heels. I know at the moment, it being this summer, a lot of people have got them out on show, and I know a lot of people try to get rid of them with one of these gadgets. So mine aren't too bad, but I do get a bit of hard skin. I shall show you my foot. So do get a little bit of hard skin. There, you can see it, and there on there. Lovely. That's from where my trainers rub when I'm running. So one of these little gadgets I have one of these in the shower at the moment, but it's gone a bit skanky because it's white, so I thought I'd get a new one. 69 pence, and it's a Bath and Body pumice sponge. Now I'm hoping this is pretty hard. It needs to be hard. Yes, it is. Yeah, lovely. And that's quite a rough. I tell you what, I also use this on. Sometimes buff my toenails with it a bit, which I don't think you're supposed to, but my toenails are quite thick and it just thins them out a little bit. So it can be used with soap and water for cleansing and will help. Oh, right, so you can use it to clean your skin. And then on your feet, apply a little soap and warm water to the areas to be cleaned and gently rub the pumice stone. So I'm hoping to sort my toes out. Not my toes, sort my hard skin out a bit with that. So if the pumice stone doesn't work, I've got this heavy duty gadget. Now, this is a head to toe, not sure I'd use it anywhere else, 4-in-1 foot file. Blimey, I'm not quite sure what 4 uses you'll use it on, but it's got a little grater on it and a pumice stone. Let's get this out of the wrapper. This was 89 pence. Now, my mum had one of these, which I've used before, and I always do it when I'm on holiday because you've got the time. Feet are a bit out, aren't they? So it's, oh, actually, it's a bit different to my mum's. Right, now I get it why it's 4. So when you open it, you've got a pumice stone in there and something a bit similar to that. And then when you shut it, you've got like an emery board that side and like a cheese grater that side. And that is, it's brilliant for getting off hard skin. And it collects it in the pot. It's pretty gross. Looks like a bit like Parmesan cheese once you're finished with it. But they are, for me, I think they're pretty good. And you can do your heels with it as well. So I'm really chuffed with that because I'm sure I've seen those branded ones a lot more money than that. So that is a bargain. And then just to help sort out these manky nails that I've now got, head to toe must be the brand name. It doesn't mean that you use it from head to toe. Very good, Belinda. 2 nail buffers, and these also have sections on them to help shine your nails. So I think actually they're both the same, but that's a boomerang one, that's a straight one. And you can use, so one to file, one to neaten edges of your nails, and then buff to smooth any imperfections, and then polish to give your nails a high gloss finish. So these, they're pretty good actually. So you just do your nails as normal, you know, tidy them up or whatever, and then you get all the ridges off with the other side, and then give it a good old buff. And they really do, I can't do it at the minute because I've got a bit of nail varnish on, but makes your nails look really shiny. And I'm going to hopefully give these a go because my nails naturally split a lot. So I'm hoping if I can buff the bits that split off quickly, it won't catch and then damage the rest of my nail. But we'll see. Couple more items now. Cleaning the body. Right, this is a real random thing. I saw this on somebody else's haul and I thought, I need to invest. Towel-sized body wipes. Perfect for when you can't shower. Now, I don't very often get in that position, but if you're going to a festival or something, or, you know, maybe when you travel on a plane and you go really early in the morning, I'll shower the night before, but I mean, I'm a shower in the morning type of person because I train in the morning. I shower straight after after a train. But if I get up at a ridiculous time, like when I went on holiday last time, I was up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I can't start using the shower because it'll wake my husband up because he wasn't coming with me, and I think that's a bit unfair to do that. So something like this would be very handy. I do use a lot of wipes for toilet wipes. And facial wipes, so I get on really well with them. So I thought, let's go for a body-sized one. It's over a metre long. So I ended up buying 2 of these because I think they're in the festival section, so I bet they won't have them in for that long. £1, a random price, £1.58 each, but I've got 2 and you get 2 in each packet. So even if they just go in the cupboard and I don't use them for ages, they are there for that essential clean. You know, maybe one day if your electric goes and your electric shower's not working or your shower pump goes, I don't need to worry anymore. Final two items. Argan oil is everywhere at the moment. It's like the new coconut oil, isn't it? It's in everything. So I thought I'd pick up a couple of, I mean, you probably noticed my hair keeps changing colour at the moment. I had it dyed red and I'm trying to lighten it back to blonde at the moment, and I have had a little go at it myself with a bit of a root touch-up thing, but it's taking it a little bit, but not too, it's a bit of work in progress. Anyway, because I have been using quite a lot of chemicals on my hair, I thought I'd give it a bit of a treat. So we've got a hydrating hair mask. Let's have a little smell of this. This was 99p. Oh, that smells nice. It smells a bit like when you go to the hairdressers. So that's a hair treatment that you shampoo your hair, towel dry it, and then put that on and leave it for a good 10 minutes for a deep intensive treatment. And then the other one, again 99p. This one is argan oil hair treatment. This repairs, rejuvenates, leaving hair shiny, smooth and healthy. So I think with this, I will actually put this in once I've washed my hair. I tend to put, I use frizzies because my hair's got a bit of a frizz to it. It's naturally curly and can go a bit wild sometimes. So I use frizzies just on, in fact I put it through most of my hair, but mainly on my fringe, because that I do straighten a bit, so that gets damaged a bit, and then on the ends to stop it fluffing up so much. So I'm going to use this maybe instead of the frizzies. Ooh, let's see if we can get a bit out so I could show you. Ooh, yeah, it's a very similar thing. I don't know if you can see that, it's only a tiny little bit. It's like, yeah, just like a little oil. So I think that'd be quite nice just to put on the ends of your hair if they get a bit dry. So that's me done. Quite a large home bargains haul there in the end. I didn't realise I bought so much. I did it the other week and put it in the cupboard. I haven't had time to do it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, if you'd like to, that would be fantastic. Hit that button, whichever side it's on, or give me a like, or let me know if you've tried any of these products, especially the argan oil stuff, because that's a new thing that I've not seen before. Anyway, I'll be doing some more videos soon. Try to upload 2 a week if I can. I'm trying to do different things. I do hauls and then other types of vlogs or beauty reviews or things like that. So I'll hopefully see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.